Are you tired of missing trading opportunities? Discover how EliteTradingBot can help your crypto trading experience and grow your profits, all on autopilot. The crypto market moves fast, and keeping up can be tough. EliteTradingBot provides an AI-powered automated trading bot designed to analyze markets, execute trades, and maximize profits in the cryptocurrency market. EliteTradingBot simplifies your trading journey in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Connect your API keys. Seamlessly integrate with major exchanges like Binance and Bybit. Step 2. Set up your trading bot. Select your API keys, leverage investment amount and trading pairs with ease. Step 3. Let the AI trade for you. Our bot monitors the market 24/7, executing trades with precision to maximize your profits. Experience a user-friendly dashboard that offers comprehensive insights into your trading activities. In the trading history section, you can access real-time analytics to monitor your profits, losses, win rates, ROI, filtering by trading status, and track your performance day by day. The Daily Progress section gives you a clear snapshot of your trading bot's performance. At the bottom, the daily profit-loss chart shows how your earnings have evolved over time. Take a look at our 6-month backtest, showcasing how the bot performed across different market conditions. Consistent results, optimized strategies, and data you can trust before going live. Ready to elevate your trading game? Join thousands of successful traders using EliteTradingBot today.